In this tutorial I will show how to turn off automatic subtitles on YouTube app. In order to turn off automatic subtitles on YouTube application, you will have to open any of the browser on your device, because this cannot be done on the YouTube application itself. And go to youtube.com. Then tap on the three dots at the top right corner. Select Request Desktop Site. Then on the top right corner tap on your profile icon. Then select Settings. Go to the left side menu and select Playback and Performance. Here you need to uncheck the Always Show Captions checkbox. This you will no longer get automatic subtitles on YouTube app.